Our Tornos MultiSwiss machines have an integrated bar feeder, chip conveyors, fire protection systems, and oil extractors. With the all-in-one concept incorporated into this machine, it drastically reduces the footprint, as it can take the space of a single spindle machine but produces up to 5 times the amount of product. There is up to a 30% reduction in tool wear due to the use of hydrostatic bearings, which in turn reduces tool costs and the savings passed on to our customers. The difference with this machine is the torque motor technology, which enables indexing in 0.4 seconds, which is quicker than the average functionality, but is a much quieter operation. With 8 spindles and up to 31 tool options, this machine is perfect for small, complex parts.